Let's take a look at the curves tab. Consists of the RGB curves and the hue saturation curves. The RGB curves is used to vary the highlights and the shadows of the image. So the image consists of the red, green and blue channels. So you can vary the highlights by dragging it down and pulling it to the left. You can increase the highlights. You can also make use of the scopes here to get an idea of what is happening. So you can vary the highlights and the shadows here. You can also put points here to do a traditional S-curve. So you can also choose the individual channels like the red channel, green, blue channel and vary them. Next, let's look at this hue saturation curves. So to understand this, hue versus sat means you're changing the saturation of a selected hue. So let's, for example, take the skin tones of the person. So let's take her skin tone for example. So I put a point there. So what is happening that this has selected a set of points which you can vary. You can vary her skin tone color. So you can move this point. You can see that her skin tone is like changing. To constrain this to a single line, you can hit the shift button and it will move in a straight line. So it will be constrained along that line. So you have varied the saturation of this selected portion. So the next thing is the hue versus hue. So you can reset this by double clicking anywhere and it will be reset. Hue versus hue is you're changing the hue of a selected hue. Let's change this lipstick color of this girl here. So let's select that lipstick color and so there you can see that it is selected 3 points. And what is happening is that it has selected some of the color here. So to like narrow it down, you can move these points here. You can narrow the points and move it. So only that portion is only selected. That her lipstick color is only selected. So you can see that the hue is changing. You can make it to a variety of color. You can narrow the points so that only that portion is only selected. So you have to make an accurate point to like get rid of this. Other thing is that if you want, you can drag the points here anywhere you find it easy to make your selections. We can also look at this image. So here let's change the hue of this blue color of the sky here. So you can see that a blue point is selected. You can vary that color. You can see the hue is changing of that color. Selected blue color only. So next one is the hue versus the luma curve. To do that, let's take this image. So as you know, you are changing the luma value of a selected hue. Luma means the brightness of an image. So you can select, let's select this sun's color. And you can bring down the value of that. So you're reducing the brightness of that hue. Let's take the earlier image. Of the sky. So let's select that first and select a point in the sky like this. And vary that. So you can see that you're desaturating that. You're changing the brightness value of that selected hue. You are making it like black and white. So you are reducing the brightness of that. You can see that the image is like breaking down because it's an HD video. So you need a higher quality to make drastic changes. So you can turn it on and off. So this is the luma versus sat. So you are changing the saturation of a selected luma, that is the brightness. So we select the sun here, and what we do is we can increase the saturation of that luma selected. Luma, as I mentioned earlier, is the brightness of an image. So you can bring down this, you can increase that brightness of that sun here. So you can turn it on or you can increase. The sat versus sat also is like similar to this. If you select a particular color, you can see here varying the saturation. So whatever color is there, it's affected everywhere. So difference between this is only the brightness is changing before brightness value here. In this, the saturation value is changing, it's increasing. As we pull it down, it's decreasing. Pull it up, it's increasing. So this is the overview of the curves tab. So the RGB curves and the hue saturation curves.